Alright, Cathedral, California. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, dude, I just got that on video.
Why did he do that?
No way.
Bro, and I bet you the truck has like not even a scratch on it.
Video.
Alright. Good. This is also in California. Alright. What's up with this guy? Why is he so mad? What's he mad about?
Oh, what happened?
Why is he so mad?
What is wrong with that guy?
So I followed him through the light. That's when he stopped and tried to confront me. I guess he thought I was following too closely. When were you following too close? The sun was in the truck. Yeah, it's best to just get out of that situation. But why was he upset?
I gotta get out of here. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Holy shit. I may have just cut this guy off in traffic. God damn it.
What the fuck was that about, huh? What's up, you fat pig? What, you don't see where you're fucking going?
I wasn't even driving.
Don't shut the fuck up, you fucking piece of bacon!
Why'd I get picked up?
Get your fat ass back in the car.
Say it again.
Get your fat ass back in the fucking car. Fuck you, bitch.
Goddamn non-driving ass motherfucker.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Oh, that was fucking clever, wasn't it? Come on, back you go. Back you go. Back you go. You see this little camera here? Back you go. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Come on, go back, you silly cow. Stupid bitch. What a fucking idiot. YK63 PVT. See that? See that there? You're on camera. You're on camera, you silly old bag.
It's alright, I'm just gonna call the cops.
Fuck. Oh my god.
I'm gonna beat your fucking ass!
What the fuck is this guy's problem?
Holy. That wasn't that bad. It was pretty bad, but you can kind of see him getting over. Oh my goodness. Bro is wildin'. Okay, never mind. He's a bad driver. I take it back.
Really?
Oh man, we got another Texas video. You already know Texas doesn't play. And you're cut off. I sped up to get away. Good. He's behind me trying to chase me down. I get on the toll road to see if he's broke, and he hesitates to follow us. He pulls up next to me waving an axe out the window. Bro, Texas does not play. He's literally waving an axe, bro. Is that a crime? I have a feeling that this is a crime. Bro, Texas does not play, but in Texas, if you bring an axe to a fight in Texas... Yo, what?
Shut the fuck up! Nobody told you to fucking get out the car!
Women.
Ayo, something traumatic happened that changed my life. Check.
Why are you turning?
I'm not.
What are you doing?
I'm making it so she's like getting out of her fucking way. Just let me film her so that way when they call the cops. crazy bitch.
First of all, you're nothing but a trashy hoe. Second of all, you suck dick. Third of all, you're not a boss ass bitch. You're a boss ass trashy hoe. For real.